I'm sure you've heard the expression, the money is in the list. And that's certainly the case when it comes to email marketing, as it has a tremendous ROI, and we have multiple case studies to prove it. What's also true is that there isn't just one way of making money when it comes to email marketing. There are multiple, and we're about to share those with you right now. So, whether you're an affiliate marketer, a coach, or an all-round marketer, you're going to want to stick around, because these 7 tactics that I'm about to tell you are about to change your email marketing program into a growing revenue source. And guess what? It's not as complicated as it sounds. So let's get into it. Tactic number 1. Use affiliate marketing and promote other people's products or services. One of the more common ways of making money online comes down to joining a lucrative affiliate program. This is actually a very straightforward process. Step number 1, you find a brand that offers an affiliate marketing program. Step 2, you join it. And then lastly, you begin to promote its products and services to your email subscribers. The best part? For every single purchase that comes through your affiliate link, you receive commission. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and email, then be sure to check out this video. But maybe do it after I go through my 6 other reasons, so be patient. To the second tactic, include sponsored content or advertising in your emails. Introducing sponsored content and advertising into your email marketing campaigns are an excellent fit if you're an email marketer who have been on the scene for a little while and have managed to grow your emailing lists to at least 2,500 subscribers. But remember folks, keep it genuine and relevant. Your audience trusts you, so only invite advertisers that are going to offer genuine value to your subscribers. Reason number 3, create a tripwire offer. Tripwire offers. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, they are, because they're your secret weapon from turning customers into subscribers, and they're very common within the email marketing world. So what do you need to do? Offer something irresistible at a low price, like a teaser of a special product or a service. And that's really going to give your subscribers a taste of the value that you can offer, which is then in turn going to lead to more substantial purchases down the road. To number 4, sell your own product or service. This could be anything from consulting services to digital products, like ebooks. The key? Offer solutions that meet your audience's needs. That way, you're not only going to earn from this, but you're going to build stronger connections along the way. Not sure where to start? No worries, we've created a whole article on how to sell digital products in 6 simple steps, and you can find it in the description. Next on our list, create a paid newsletter. I'm not going to lie to you, this part might be a little bit more tricky, especially if you've just started growing your email list. You might well be thinking, I'm struggling to get people to subscribe to my email list for free, so how am I going to get them to pay for it? And I would understand that concern. This is a challenge at the early growth stage, there's no doubt about it. But if you manage to consistently provide your readers with high value content, then you will reach the moment where you're able to transform your free email sequence into a paid newsletter, or create a premium version of your regular newsletter with exclusive content you won't share anywhere else. Before you go full scale, be sure to test the waters first. The voice of consumer data is essential here, and email marketing offers you the perfect chance to actually ask your subscribers what they would pay you for if you introduced a paid newsletter. What type of content would be worth paying for in their opinion, and how much would they pay you? And once you're ready, introduce a premium version. On to tactic number 6. Create a paid course. Earlier, I mentioned crafting a digital product to make money with email marketing. And there's no better example on this than making an online course, as this is one of the most popular and profitable digital products among solopreneurs. Sharing tips and tricks in your newsletter is one thing, but then teaching your subscribers about your expertise, your skills, and your workflows is another thing altogether. Creating a paid course requires going all the way back to the drawing board and identifying your audience's pain points, and then step by step drawing out ways in which they can overcome those challenges. Structure your course into digestible and engaging lessons, and then use your email list to promote it by using teasers, testimonials, and special offers. If you want to learn more about creating and running a course, then once again, running a course, then oh my god. Then again, nah.
Just need a minute with myself.
If you want to learn more about creating and promoting a course, then once again, we've linked some resources for you in the description below. And that brings us to the last tactic that we have on our list, which is to run paid webinars. Conducting online events can serve multiple purposes. For example, free webinars are great at generating new leads and also providing your existing subscribers with helpful content. Running webinars with an entry fee means selling advanced level knowledge, where people who are going to attend are going to really want to upgrade their skill sets and come to you to get knowledge that they can't get elsewhere for free. And if you like the sound of that and you're therefore looking for a tool to run your webinars with, then GetResponse offers that too. Just saying. And there you have it, folks. 7 ways to monetize your email list. Remember, the heart of a successful email marketing campaign is in providing value and building authentic relationships with your subscribers. And if you're looking for a tool to help you with all of the above, then GetResponse is a great option to help keep it all under one roof. So that's all, folks. If you liked the video, then please like it. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more marketing tips. And if you've got any questions, then drop them below. We do our best to respond to every single one that comes through. Happy marketing.